Most people think fireworks crackle simply because of explosions in the sky. But here's the twist. The crackling sound isn't just a bang, it's chemistry in action. Tiny pellets inside the firework, often made from metals like lead or bismuth, heat up rapidly and vaporize. As each pellet bursts, it releases gas in mini explosions, creating that signature crackling. It's not one big blast, but hundreds of microscopic pops happening in rapid succession. So next time you hear fireworks, remember it's a symphony of science, not just a simple boom.